This is bottle gourd roti. It is not just adding a vegetable to make it nutritious. The combination of bottle gourd and rice flour gives this roti a unique taste and an incredible addictive aroma. Added crispy chana dal, sesame seeds, crunchy onions and other few flavorful ingredients make the texture so good, and every bite is packed with full of flavors. And roasting this on hot tawa is not only just low fat but also gives an irresistible aroma. Hello everyone, you are watching HomePlateDelights, where I make healthy, delicious homemade recipes with so much care and love for my family. Let's get started and make this delicious bottle gourd roti. Here I have taken one medium-sized bottle gourd, peel off the skin and grate it using a grater. It is so nice and fresh. You can see there is so much water in the bottle gourd itself. One small grated carrot, one medium-sized sliced onion, chopped coriander leaves, thinly cut ginger, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and some soaked chana dal. This was just soaked for an hour. Now the main ingredient, 1 cup of rice flour. Give it a good mix. You do not need to add water here. The moisture from the bottle gourd is enough. Make sure you squeeze the mixture well so that you can extract more moisture from the vegetables. Once the dough is ready, try to make the rotis as fast as you can. The bottle gourd will keep releasing the moisture, so we can't let the dough sit for longer time. Take a portion of dough about a chapati dough size. I am using the banana leaf here. Gently press the dough using your fingers and spread it as thin as you can. Make a few small holes like this where you can add oil while cooking so that the roti will get cooked nicely and also adds extra flavor. Tawa is nice and hot. Brush some oil. Carefully place the roti on tawa and gently give it a light press. Cover the lid and let it cook for a minute. The roti will get cooked nicely and it will also extract the aroma from the banana leaf. After a minute, as moisture nicely built, you can easily peel the banana leaf off, and you can even add some oil in the holes to make it extra crunchy. I hope you are enjoying this bottle gourd recipe. Here at HomePlateDelights, I make healthy, delicious homemade recipes. Please do subscribe and support the channel. Here you go, the yummy bottle gourd roti is ready to enjoy. There is a special soft akki roti recipe on my channel. Please do check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.